Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will guide you on how to know if your data leaked on dark web and what to do. The dark web is a section of the internet that is inaccessible to standard browsers and search engines. It is a web layer that needs additional software, setups, or authorization to access. The dark web is often used for anonymous communication, file sharing, and criminal activities such as the purchase and sale of narcotics, guns, hacking tools, stolen data, and other illegal items and services. The dark web contains information that search engines cannot index, such as databases, secret networks, password-protected websites, and encrypted messaging. To hide the identity and location of its users and hosts, the dark web employs encryption and anonymization techniques. Open Gmail on your phone. Go to Circle at the top right. Then open Google account. Swap to the right and select Security. You can go down and see if your email address is on the dark web. Open See if your email address is on the dark web. It has information. Run one-off scans to see if your email address is on the dark web. Take Acto to protect yourself with guidance on what to do if your info is found, and get reminder emails to run scans. You also able to open Learn how it works and read it if you want. Let's just run a scan. In this case, our email info was found on the dark web. Summary of your result: there are 4 data breaches. We can view all results. These are detail of the result. Our email, name, username, and date of birth from 4 applications on our phone has leaked on the dark web. We can go here and we can see what Google suggests for the next step. Google suggests to setting up 2-factor authentication for email. You can follow it. Now we go back. Google also offers continuous monitoring through a subscription Google One membership. We go explore plans. The membership is around $2 per month, and you will get some benefits like monitoring the dark web, 100 gigabytes of storage across your Google account, more Google Photos editing tools, and support from Google experts. Thank you for watching. If you find this video useful, please consider subscribing and liking. See you on the next one.